Hold up, I ain't with that. Devil try to get his leg back. Wow. Pull up, spin back. Pull up, spin.
Hello guys! Welcome to my blog! And this is the time to unbox the iPhone 16 Pro Max 512GB Titanium Desert. So, come on Nathan, look at the specs. And then we're gonna open it. Look at. Okay. Wow! So this one is the Desert Titanium. Titanium daw to. Ayan, tatlo pa rin camera. Buksan natin. Uy! May kasamang charger. Ang charger niya is a bridge type of charger. It's not like a usual charger, but there's no adapter. Oh, it's fall down. Oh, it's up. Fall down also. And look at the sounds. The sounds. Whoop. Okay. So this iPhone have a 512 terabyte. And then we're gonna open it like this. Oh. Okay. It's good.
Password.
So it's password. I'm gonna set up it later. Comparing to iPhone 12 Pro. Let's see how it takes. Only the big camera. Big camera and also the size, of course, because this one is a Pro. But there's too many changes about it. Also the dynamic island, and this one is the normal island. This is the Enter the Dragon Island. And that one. So let's test the camera. Check the camera. Okay, if you notice, this one is good. Same. You can see your selfie. Check the selfie. Selfie. Yeah, you will see my cameraman, Nathan, my boy. See? Very nice. He's using iPhone 14 Pro Max. And then soon, he likes to have a Android Oppo. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Enjoy my vlogs. Thank you for 1 million subscribers. Hello. Good night, guys.
Hello guys! We're gonna unbox this iPhone 16 512GB na pinadala ng Smart para sa atin, para daw i-unbox ko, sabi nila. And that one, we're gonna open it. Open na siya, di ba? Alright. This is the new colorway, Desert Titanium. Yan, same like 14, 15, 16, same camera. Uy, ang kasama niya ay this one. What about this one? The Type-C cable without the charger and without the speaker. So let's open it. Wow. Uy! Very nice. Inopen ko na siya kanina. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So, what is the difference from iPhone 14? So, let's check. Nothing. It's almost the same. It's almost identical. Right? It's sobrang pareho lang. See? This is po sa aking asawa. And this is for me. Yeah, same na same. This one is the new one, the camera button. So what is the new for this one? Camera button. So let's check it out. Camera button. Camera button. Ang hirap yung pindutin. Yun! Yan, you can adjust the height, the zoom in. Yeah, that's it. Only this one. So, ayun guys. Tapos namin mag-unboxers. And thank you for the 1 million subscribers from Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.